Do you require some information on roof repair? The national average roof repair cost is $770, with most homeowners spending $336 and $1,228. This data is based on actual project costs as reported by HomeAdvisor members. Maintaining a sound roof tops the list of crucial home repairs. It keeps your home interior warm and dry and protects it from the elements. Damage or signs of wear should call for immediate action to keep water from seeping in and rotting the wood sheathing beneath. Ignoring a problem, even what appears to be a small one, could result in eventually needing a new roof, which is not cheap. There are various repairs your roof might need, and it's important to keep an eye out for them and have repairs completed as quickly as possible. On this page, repair causes. Most roof leaks are similar in nature and are due to the same types of problems. These include: if you notice any of these signs, you should call a roofing specialist immediately to get the problem fixed. Get a quote from a roofer now for your repairs. Return to top. Finding the leak. Sometimes it's relatively easy for your contractor to find the leak because it is already leaking into your home. Ring our company soon for further details on roof repair.